everybody, Miss Chelsea here with Red School of Music, and today I'm going to teach you the Solfege Challenge. So when I open a piece of music, I'm able to know how it goes, and that's called sight reading. And so I don't need to plunk it out on the piano, I don't need somebody to teach it to me. I can just look at the music itself and the sheet music and then know exactly how it goes and how the notes are supposed to go. And so that is sight reading. And there's several skills that you would need to know to be able to be a good sight reader. One of them is ear training. You have to train your ears to hear different intervals in music and how they sound. So this is a challenge that I give my students that works on different intervals in ear training. And with that, they are able to develop their aural skills in that way. And so now I'm going to teach it to you. There's 4 parts. Part 1 is just the do scale going up and right back down. So it goes like this. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Just like that. All right, so that's kind of the easy part. So let's try that together. Ready, and... All right, part 2. This is where we add some chords into the mixture. If you are a piano person, or we do this with our piano students, we have cadences. And so we do the cadence, but with our voice. So the first part goes like this. Do, mi, sol, mi, do. Try that. And then do, fa, la, fa, do. Mi, sol, mi, do. Ti, re, sol, re, ti. Do, mi, sol, mi, do. Good. And then you just put it all together without pauses. So that second part goes like this. Do, mi, sol, mi, do. Do, fa, la, fa, do. Do, mi, sol, mi, do. Ti, re, sol, re, ti. Now you're going to try it by yourself. Ready, and... Good, so that's part 1 and part 2. Part 3 is probably the trickiest one because we're doing skips. So we're going up and down in thirds. And so we skip the re. You go do, mi, so you're skipping re, but then you just keep going up in those thirds. So it slowly goes like this. Do, mi, re, fa, mi, sol, fa, la, sol, ti, la, do, ti, re, do, do, la, ti, sol, la, fa, sol, mi, fa, re, mi, do, re, ti, do. Just like that. So you try it. Ready, and... You might have to pause this and go back over that one a few times to get it, but that's the gist of it. So part 4, the last part of that, is where we actually do the intervals, and then we say the name of the interval while singing the interval, so you can kind of develop that in your ear. So it goes like this. Do, re, major second, do, mi, major third, do, fa, perfect fourth, do, sol, perfect fifth, do, la, major sixth, do, ti, major seventh, do, octave. Just like that. All right, so let's try that on your own. Ready, and... So now we can do all of the 4 parts back to back. So we'll do it pretty slow, and then I'll do one where I play it just a little bit faster for those of you that are really go get 'em. So, all right, here's all 4 parts back to back, and I'll sing on this first one. So, ready and do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, do, mi, sol, mi, do, do, fa, la, fa, do, mi, sol, mi, do, ti, re, sol, re, ti, do, mi, sol, mi, do, do, mi, re, fa, mi, sol, fa, la, sol, ti, la, do, ti, re, do, la, ti, sol, la, fa, sol, mi, fa, re, mi, do, re, ti, do, re, major second, do, mi, major third, do, fa, perfect fourth, do, sol, perfect fifth, do, la, major sixth, do, ti, major seventh, do, octave. All right, good. And now here's it one more time, just a little bit faster. So 1, 2, ready, and cool. And I have students that can just rattle through that as fast as they can. So awesome. Okay, so that should be something to help you with your ear training. So, all right, go kick some butt.